Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a navigation menu here in Showit. Okay, I'm just going to show you a simple, like maybe a hamburger menu or hamburger navigation menu. Okay, so first up, open up your website. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and zoom it in like so. And then let's just go ahead over to any page right here, maybe here under home. Okay, now let's click on the header. Okay, so for example, we're going to want to add in the hamburger logo right here or icon. So click on add element, click on icon. Maybe I'm going to put it right here at the top or at the top right. Okay, just like that, for example. And then just click on swap icon. As you can see here, we have a ton of options. Okay, now let's just go ahead and use this one and then close it. Change the color if you want to. Maybe I'll change it to this color right here. And then once done, make sure that you select the click actions. Okay, and the type, of course, is a canvas later. Okay, so first up, let's just go over to canvas right here. And by the way, if you want to know how to create a drop-down menu, we have a separate video for that. You can go ahead and check it out. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and delete the drop-down. Okay, just for you to see. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your header, click on three dots, add a blank canvas or canvas view. Okay, first view is empty, and then go ahead and add another one, view 2. We're gonna need view 2. Now, in here, let's say we had the hamburger. Okay, make sure that it is enabled for desktop. Let's say it's right under here, besides contact. Okay, this one. Icon, swap, that, right. Color, like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw or add in a rectangle or even oval if you want to. Okay, just for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and add in a rectangle, a long rectangle as it is a menu. Okay, maybe this big. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the color, maybe to a lighter color, maybe that one. Okay, now let's go ahead and add in our menus. Okay, if you want to, you can go ahead and copy these text right here. Okay, or add in your own text. Okay, maybe menu 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just for this example, we're going to be using 4, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and select it all. Okay, make sure that it is under view 2. If it is not under view 2, you can go ahead and drag it to view 2. Okay, and then once that's done, go back to the hamburger icon. Okay, now go ahead and go back to click actions. And here again, as I've said earlier, type is set to canvas, this canvas. And then canvas view, make sure that you select view 2. Okay, and once that's done, you can now go ahead and hit alt save or preview. Okay, now as you can see here we have the hamburger. You just need to adjust this however you want. You can go ahead and put this on the left, at the right, wherever you want. Okay, adjust the size, color, however. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, and as you can see below it, directly, we have the menu 1, menu 2, menu 3, and menu 4. And of course, you'd want to link these text, okay, to a page. Okay, it's pretty easy. You can just go ahead and click on a text, click actions, type page, select the page. For example, Instagram, another one, type page, home coming soon, 404, like that, preview. Menu 1, Instagram. There you go. That is it. That is how you create a navigation menu with Showit. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.